This time we're supposed to find the relation between two lines. We're supposed to find if they are parallel or they are perpendicular or neither. In order to do so, we're supposed to find the slope for each of them. So in order to find slope, we're supposed to convert general form to slope-intercept form. In order to do so, we're supposed to solve every single, these two equations for y. In order to do so, we're supposed to move x and -7 to the right side of the equation. So we're going to have 5y equals -x plus 7. In order to solve this equation for y, we're supposed to divide both sides equation by 5. And we're going to have y equals -1/5 x plus 7 over 5. Please keep in mind that the coefficient of x is my slope. So m1 in this case is equal -1/5. This is the slope of my first line. Next, we're supposed to find the slope of the second line. Again, we're supposed to solve this equation for y. We have to move -5x to right side and 1 to right side too. So if y is equal 5x minus 1. So this is the slope-intercept form, and the coefficient of x is my slope. So if m2 equals 5. Please keep in mind that anytime m1 is equal m2, two lines are parallel, okay? Anytime m1 equals to m2, the lines are placed in parallel to each other. Anytime m1 times m2 is equal -1, so these lines are going to be perpendicular, okay? So this is the symbol for perpendicular lines. So let's check. We have m1 equals -1/5 and m2 equals 5. So they are different. So for sure they are not in parallel. Let's apply the second rule. We have m1 times m2 must be equal -1, where m1 equals -1/5 times 5 must be equal -1. 5 and 5 will cancel out, so if -1 is equal -1. Left side of my equation is equal to the right side. So what I can say that this is my line 1, let's call this L1, and this is my line 2, L2. So I have line 1 is perpendicular, okay, this symbol represents perpendicular to line 2. And this is the solution to my problem.